Hi everyone, this is my project. What did I break yesterday? A Mocha powered daily digest for developers. The problem that it solves is that after shipping code, developers often forget exactly what they merged yesterday, where they left their progress, and only discover breakages when someone pings them or they dig through the logs. This tool gives each dev a yesterday digest for any GitHub repo and also mentions the errors that happened against each commit. The goal is a quick morning reflection to start your day by looking at what you shipped and what broke, and clean up or fix issues faster. Talking about the tech stack, the front end is hosted on Vercel. It is a simple HTML JS static app, and the backend is hosted on Google Cloud Run. So let me open the backend UI. So this is the workbench. These are the endpoints. The digest run endpoint calls the GitHub REST APIs to place the closed PRs, filter them, and also pass them for specific errors stored in the Mocha state. So let me call the endpoint for this body. Okay, so this is our return JSON. So here you can see the commits that were made on 13th of December. And this is one of the failures that I have tracked to the track error. It just appends to the failures list on that day that what error has happened for which commit SHA. So let me add one more SHA. Okay, so this is true. So if I again run this one, here we can see that one more error has come up on different commit. So this is works like this. And for the front end, here we can see this is our front end. Here we give up the GitHub personal access token, the owner, repo, and the date. Let me do it for 13. Okay, so and these are the failures that I have added. Also, we can save our workspace. See the workspace is saved like here. So if for the next time I hit refresh, we don't need the GitHub access token again because the workspace ID is saved in the local storage. So we can just hit load workspace and hit run digest like for this state run digest without a GitHub token. Here we can run this again. Also, the GitHub access token was not saved in Mocha state because the Mocha backend is unified, and this can be accessed by each and every user using the front end. So there can be security risk. So that's why the personal access token is saved in local storage. And talking about the learnings and growth, this project was an exploration of Mocha as a unified backend runtime. And also, the journey started from a simple list yesterday's PRs script and then iterated to this final version that we have now. So that's it for my presentation. Thank you.